feel really good. My legs still okay.
Oh, Diane's here.
I could.
Bill, great.
Are you on there, Al?
Who's on here? Bill, Diane,
Yes.
Susan,
No.
Claudette.
Oh, we have no idea. We didn't.
You're the only person with bilateral thermal to tell her.
Who knows how we'll come in. May not have it.
The fact that it's fun, although you're going to go for the breakfast tomorrow. But that's a whole different thing. It's breakfast versus dinner. And they have these really interesting bizarre. The Fat Mermaid. It's like right by the hotel. We'll show you. It has this really interesting, like bizarre gourmet pizzas with really unusual combinations.
Oh, cool.
And of course they have traditional ones too. The gourmet ones are pretty expensive, like $27 for a pizza like that. Right? But they're interesting and unusual. And the new restaurant that just opened up at the hotel. Right? I haven't eaten it yet, but the guests that we've been getting is great. You know, so that's pretty cool right on on the marina. So that's nice too. You know, a lot of people don't want to use a hotel restaurant. It's actually one of the best restaurants in town.